In this lecture, we will learn how to create a bill of material in Catia. First, open the assembly of which you want to create a bill of material. We have this wise assembly. We will create a drawing sheet of this wise assembly with bill of material. Select manipulation feature and move each part so you can see all the parts clearly. Once all the parts are separated and visible, select Enhance Scene feature and click OK. Now you can see that a scene is created of the current view of the screen. Now select Save Viewpoint, go to Application drop down, and here you will see our saved scene. Now exit the scene from here. You can view the scene from the design tree whenever you want. Now open a new drawing sheet. Select Sheet Style. OK. Go to Isometric View. Go to Window and select Assembly. Select the scene. Now select one face and here is our saved scene. Click outside. Zoom a little bit. Go to Window. Select Assembly. Now select Generate Numbering feature from Product Structure toolbar. Select Product. Now this window will pop up. Here you will see the mode of numbering our part. Make sure integer is checked. OK. Now go to Analyze and select Bill of Material. These are the different parts of the assembly. Go to Define Formats. So these are the displayed properties and these are hidden properties. Select all these properties and hide them from here. Now you can select those properties which you want to show. That is quantity, component description and number in bill of material. And select show properties from here. So here is the properties which will be shown in bill of material. Now we want to change the order of these properties. Select number and select change order option. Now select quantity to change order. This time select quantity. Select change order. Now select numbers. This time select number, change order with component description. So this is the order we want for bill of material. Also hide these properties. OK. So here is a preview of our bill of material. Now you can see that the description column is empty. Now we have to give description to each part. OK. Now select this part, right click, properties, and from here you can give description to the parts. Part 3 is a body of the vise. Right body, OK. Now give description to our parts. The last part is a slider plate. OK. Go to Window, select Drawing. Now go to Insert, Generation and select Balloon Operation. Now you can see that a balloon is created for each part. It will automatically take a part number for each part. Again, go to Insert, Generation, Bill of Material and select Bill of Material. And here is our bill of material. Place it. Now double click to add it. Remove product and write assembly. OK. Select this whole column and go to paragraph style and make it in center. Make this column also in center. You can drag this point to shift the width of the column. You can also change the width of the rows from these points. Now select all balloons. Right click, properties, go to font and from here you can change the font of the balloon. Apply. Now go to edit, sheet background and apply some layout to the sheet. Shift the drawing a little bit. So here is our final drawing sheet with bill of material in Catia.